Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have February's Glossy box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just received February's Glossy box. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to review and to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we're going to have for February. First thing, look at this box. Can we just take a moment to look at this box? They sometimes do decorative boxes, and I want to say right now, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. It looks like a cassette tape. Sad that the younger generation probably doesn't even know what these things are anymore. Don't even talk about an 8-track player. But it says Sing, Dance, Love, Repeat Mixtape Premium Stereo Cassette. That is just super, super cute. I save all of their boxes and use them for storage, but whenever they're their decorative boxes, I just think they're just extra special. But I love this one so much. I love that cassette tape. So let's go ahead and dive in. Enough about the box. Let's see what's inside of the box. So when you first open it up, that is what it looks like right there. Here is their brochure. Here's their ribbon. The tissue paper is super cute. Look, there's headphones. There's cassette tapes in yellow. That is so cute. And then there's their sticker. And that's what it looks like when you open it up. Let's go ahead and dive in and see. So inside of here, it will go over the different products and it will actually give you, is this one that gives you pricing? Yes, it gives you pricing. So let's start with the first thing that I am seeing, which is Pearl Brightening Sleeping Mask. That sounds nice. This right here is a full size, and this is valued at $6. Featuring a convenient spout, this 2-in-1 formula brightens, tones, and exfoliates your skin overnight for a smooth, even complexion in the morning. That's nice. Brightens, tones, and exfoliates while you sleep. It says to apply evenly across your face as the last step of your nighttime skincare routine. Cleanse in the morning. So cleanse your face again in the morning after you leave this on. And there's that, I kind of like the products that you can just leave on overnight. When you wake up, you're good to go. But it says to clean it off in the morning. But that's a good size. And if you're just putting a little bit on your face, it'll last you a little while. And that's valued for $6. So then next we have, it says SYS Superfood for your skin. And it says Superfood Cosmetics, moisturizing cream for dry skin. It says that it's superfood, probiotic, and vegan. This right here is the Deluxe Mini, and the Deluxe Mini is valued for $19.99. And that's the 20 mil. That's what this should be. Yes, the full size is a 50 mil, and it's $39.99. Prickly pear extract in this cream is the perfect addition to your daily skincare regimen. It'll leave your skin feeling smooth and super hydrated. Apply evenly all over your face after cleansing in the morning and evening. So after your cleansing and toning, apply this morning or evening. So that is nice. And that's valued at $19.99 for this deluxe size sample. Now we have this an Avant product. I've never received this one, so I'm really excited. This is a Hyaluronic Argan Oil Peony Sweet Almond Velvet Protecting Rose Sugar Lip Scrub. Ooh, I've never gotten a lip scrub from them. That is really cool. And this brand is super, super expensive. This is probably $60 or more. Let me see. This is a full size. This is $71. I knew it was going to be close to like the higher end. I knew it. This says buff away dead skin cells to reveal soft, fresh, and youthful lips with this sugar scrub. Filled with anti-inflammatory ingredients and antioxidants, perfect for creating a smooth canvas for your lipstick. Apply to lips with fingertips and massage. Leave on lips for 1 to 2 minutes and then pat dry with a towel. Follow with a lip balm. So that is really cool. And again, I'm super excited to get a new Avant product, one I've never seen before. And that is really neat. I hope it doesn't smell like rose because I see the rose situation in there. But let's see. Hopefully the peony. Oh no, no rose at all. That smells good. Oh, that smells really good. I'm excited. $71, you guys. Holy moly. Okay, so there is still a few products still in here. This is Bella Pierre Cosmetics. And this looks like this would probably be a variation of color because the picture shows this kind of a color. And this is definitely like a pinkish purple color. This is called Wow. That's what I gotta say. Wow. This is a full size. This values for $15. It says shimmer powder, Wow, coral reef, or reddish. Illuminate your best features with this long-lasting, vibrant powder without smears, creases, or fading. Perfect as an eyeshadow, highlighter, lip color, and more. Whether you use it as an eyeshadow, a highlighter, a lip color, or a blush, remember to always use a primer first. So again, that's a full size, valued for $15, and it would have been a variety of colors, and I got Wow. There's that. And then the last product is going to be two different things. It's a shampoo and conditioner. These are deluxe minis. These are 30 ml, $8. The full set is 300 ml for $47. This rich repairing shampoo and conditioner is formulated with P-A-T-A-U-A oil from Brazil to strengthen, protect, and treat dry, damaged, and unruly hair. Apply shampoo to wet hair and moisturize evenly throughout. After rinsing, apply conditioner, concentrating on the ends, and then rinse out. So let's see what these are. I like the fact that they gave you both though, the shampoo and the conditioner. These are good to use just to try it out or to save for travel, that kind of thing. But here is the shampoo and the conditioner. Cute little bottles. Let's smell the conditioner. Ooh, that smells good. Ooh, that does smell good. Let me see. I always like end up rubbing things on my hand. Yeah, that actually smells really good. Ooh, I can't wait to try this out. So you have a shampoo and a conditioner. Again, these are valued at $8 for the set. The full size would be $47. So that is everything we got, you guys. We have the shampoo and the conditioner. We have a lip sugar scrub. You have the moisturizing cream. You have like an highlighter or an eyeshadow, and then you have a face moisturizer to use as well. This is a really neat box, and I love the actual box itself. Let's keep remembering this one. And you can even repurpose the string, the tissue paper, the stringy things that are in here too. Easter baskets are coming up. You can start saving those for your kids if you have them and you want to use them for Easter baskets, that kind of thing. So there you go. Now, if you want a little bit more information about Glossybox, they do have my own code, which is embedded into the link. So all you have to do is follow the link and you can get your very first box for $16 by following the link down below in the description box. The box normally, if you do month to month, it is $21 a month with free international shipping. If you go down to 12 months and you do a prepaid subscription, it'll bring it to $18 per box. Again, free international shipping. You can cancel at any time, and you always get 5 products with a value worth of $70 or higher every single month. You already know this one's well over that because that one product alone was $71. Yes. So that is everything that I have to show you about this Glossybox. I'm really impressed with this box. So this is February's box. You guys comment down below, what do you think of this month's products? What do you think of Glossybox in general? What do you think of this cutest little box, you guys? Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.